What if I told you your iPhone could pay you just for testing apps? No experience needed. Here's how to start today. First, sign up on usertesting.com. Companies pay $10 and $50 per test where you 1. Download their app. 2. Record your screen plus voice while using it. 3. Share honest feedback. Pro tip: check daily. Tests fill fast. Next, Fiverr gigs. Create an offer like, "I'll test your app and record detailed feedback. $20 report." Charge extra for bug reports, UX suggestions, competitor comparisons. Finally, paid beta programs. Use TestFlight, Apple's official platform. betafamily.com. 10/30s per test. Companies need real users before launch. Boost earnings with these hacks. 1. Test between 9 a.m. 5 p.m. EST. More tests. 2. Join Arts Beer Money for new opportunities. 3. Bundle services. Testing plus review writing. Comment APP tester below for my free starter guide. Like and subscribe for more lazy income tricks.